Alright, so let's get started on a visualizer. So let's import some audio, like one of my songs. Let's do my house track. Okay, that's how I created. Next, you can go to composite workspaces. Okay, that's fine. And then you're gonna make composite. So you're gonna drag and drop and then your audio file imported in there. Make composite. Then, oh, boom. Next, I'm gonna create a plain layer. Could be any color, doesn't matter. Next, I'll choose audio visualizer. So it'll be right here in the effects chain. Drag and drop in. Next, you're gonna go to input, track. And see, now it's working. And then you can change the size of it like that. It's pretty, you can drag it anywhere, it's pretty cool. Let's play with it. Then we're gonna add a text. We're gonna add a text. Small right click, near plain text. We're going to click. Then we're gonna base 200. Come on. There's 200. Okay, maybe a little bit smaller. Never mind. Okay, now we can move it around like that. Let's do something crazy. So that's in there. So let's do my composition. That's done. Let's do effects next. Let's do warp, like spherical warp, and then it's gonna do something crazy. Why is it locked? There we go. And then you could change the color. Go to colors, RGB. And then change something yellow. There we go. And height you could change. So that's a keyframe right there, and then we'll make another keyframe. Thickness. Click on it, make another keyframe. Make another keyframe. So yeah. Then you could click that, make another keyframe. And we'll make it wider again. Another keyframe. So yeah, that's how you do it. It might cost like $20, but I got the pack for like 40 bucks for HitFilm Express. It's pretty cool. So that's that. But yeah, so it's a pretty cool, has a lot of cool composite tools. So that's how you create a audio visualizer with HitFilm. And thanks for watching, guys. So hopefully this helps you. And yeah, it's not the prettiest, but it's something. So HitFilms is used to do like special effects. So this is like my first um cheesy special effects animation. So you could do keyframe every single frame to create animations with HitFilms Express. So thanks for watching, guys, and yeah, bye.